Certainly, there are several popular brewing methods for coffee, each offering a unique flavor profile and experience. Here are some of the most common brewing methods. Drip coffee maker. Drip coffee makers are a common household appliance. They work by heating water and dripping it over coffee grounds held in a paper or metal filter. The brewed coffee drips into a carafe below. It's a convenient and straightforward method. French press. Also known as a press pot or plunger pot, a French press involves steeping coarsely ground coffee in hot water and then pressing a metal or nylon plunger through a mesh filter to separate the grounds from the liquid. Pour over. This method involves manually pouring hot water over coffee grounds in a cone-shaped dripper. It allows for precise control over the brewing process and is known for producing a clean and flavorful cup. AeroPress. The AeroPress uses air pressure to brew coffee. Grounds and water are mixed in a chamber, then pressure is applied to force the coffee through a paper filter. The result is a concentrated coffee that can be diluted to taste. Espresso machine. Espresso is brewed by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee under high pressure. This method produces a strong and concentrated coffee with a layer of creamer on top. Mocha pot. Stovetop espresso maker. Ground coffee is placed in a filter basket and water is added to a bottom chamber. As the water heats up, it creates pressure that forces water through the coffee grounds and into an upper chamber. Cold brew. Coarse coffee grounds are steeped in cold water for an extended period, usually 12-24 hours. The result is a smooth, low-acid coffee concentrate that can be diluted with water or milk. Siphon. Vacuum pot. This visually impressive method uses a two-chamber apparatus. Water is heated in the lower chamber, and as it vaporizes, it's forced into the upper chamber, where it mixes with coffee grounds. After brewing, the heat is removed, causing a vacuum that draws the brewed coffee back down through a filter. Percolator. Although less common nowadays, a percolator cycles boiling water through coffee grounds multiple times to create a strong and often somewhat bitter coffee. Each brewing method has its own strengths and may highlight different flavor profiles in the coffee. The grind size, coffee-to-water ratio, water temperature, and brewing time all play roles in determining the final taste of your coffee. Experimentation and personal preference are key in finding the method that suits your taste best.